Hey, Shelly.
What's going on?
Dark Horse has a problem, and I'm leaning on them.
There's a reason that they're not on the Dark Horse anymore, right?
Right. Now, this is specific to the Dark Horse handling pack. They give you these sticky track Pirelli Trofeo RS tires. Great tires for the track, not for the street. We found out the hard way. You want to show them the battle scars?
Way more than I thought was going to happen, but yeah.
Yeah, this area down here, those
Got
sticky
beat up.
Pirellis like to fling every tiny little rock, and they just, at freeway speeds, that's what happens. And that's sad. But we're going to stop that from occurring any longer with these new Nittos. More of a street tire, summer tire, but a street tire. Nitto NT555 G2s. Same sizes, 305s in the front, 315s in the rear. I can already tell they're not, you don't hear the stones flicking around when you drive. Just to show you how sticky these tires are, see this tiny little stone? Look at that. That tiny little piece of sand, basically. But as you can see, guys, that's a little rock, Shelly, right?
Very little.
Look at the, now let's go over to the new tires. Gonna show you what different soft compound versus a little, still soft, but not as soft compound. Let's stick the rock on there. Oh, look, it just falls off. As you can see, that's why those are not great for the street, right?
Right.
Ford, if you're listening, let's make the Trofeos an option on the handling pack. Street, would you like the street tire handling pack or the track tire handling pack? Shelly.
Yes.
I've got one more thing, I told you about this,
Yes.
that we're gonna do to try to keep these rocks from flinging, even with the changed out tires. We still could have a problem, right?
I've been very anxious actually to check these out.
Look at that. We have a new friend from the Dark Horse groups on Facebook we found. Mike and his son are making some rock guards for the front tires on these Mustangs. We ordered a pair of these from him. Check it out. They're pre-drilled. We're gonna show you how to install this real quick. Driver's side. Peel off the plastic before install. Hope you enjoy. The only tool you're gonna need is one of these, a panel clip tool.
A panel clip tool.
You can use whatever kind you want. The little plastic ones, I tend to like this one because it's a little easier to give you more leverage.
This conveniently came on Amazon this morning, and I will go ahead and put a link to that if you're
Yes.
curious to see which tool that is.
All right, so let's get down there, put these on, and show you what they look like on, and stop the rock chips. What do you say?
Don't say stop the rock, but rock chips, yes, because we like rock.
I said stop the rock chips.
I know.
All right, so real quick, look, we'll just dry fit this right here. It's gonna go right like that.
This was a really good idea.
Definitely. We're gonna take out 1, 2, 3, 4 of these. Okay, so we've got those off. Got our driver's side. Let's go ahead and peel the plastic off here.
Oh, stop talking. Satisfying peel. Go. Is there no plastic on the backside?
Nope, it's textured on the backside to match the texture of this. Easier on these bottom two if you kind of get it started. They're a little tight, but you want these to hold tight against the vehicle. Top two, we're gonna go ahead and get those in. Right there, so let's go ahead and push those in. Careful, don't break them. That took a little force. As you can see, I'm out of breath. Pretty easy though. Very easy install, and there you go. Look, nice and tight.
So, new shoes on, new rock guards on. Guess what?
You can finally drive it.
I get to finally drive it. So, let's take her for a ride.
Okay, let's do it.
Also, we are going to link how to get the rock guards in the description below, and we'll also give you the link to the stuff we used. Put it on.
All the links to all the stuff.
All the links, all the stuff.
Tires, rock
Let's
guards.
go for a ride.
Let's go.
Thanks for watching.